Hello to everyone. Assalamu alaikum and namaskar. We are from Chempharm Industries. We are a 40-year-old company, started in the year 1985. We are one of the largest manufacturing unit in India. We offer turnkey solutions, turnkey systems for setting up the pharmaceutical plant as well as the food and beverages plant. What we do is we give the designs, we give the machineries, we set up the plants, installations, as well as the unique thing we have in our company is that after giving you the plant, we offer you the hand-holding. We have a great team, a team of 250 resources who are a very dedicated people from manufacturing, research and development, regulatory, installations, validations and so on. The pharmaceutical sector which we are catering are oral solid doses, tablet capsules, semi-solid ointment section, also the ophthalmic section where we give the contactless solutions, eye drops, ear drops, nasal drops and injectable lines where you also find that we give a water for injection as well, IV fluids, large volume parentals, small volume parentals, and then we offer the derma section, cosmetic section.
We have got competency to offer products customized to your solutions as we have got various different competencies on board such as pharmacists, designers, we have got the best of the installation team, and all these cater to giving you a perfect solution for the pharmaceutical industry or to set up a new pharmaceutical industry. We've got all these items under one roof and we are available at your doorstep. So here you can see a complete line for the ointment solutions. The complete mixing tank along with the homogenizers have been manufactured and fabricated by us. Modular clean room panels as per the client's requirement, whether it's rock wool panels, puff panels, aluminium honeycomb panels. Also we all cater to HVAC industry where we manufacture ductings, dampers, HEPA filters, HEPA housings, diffusers. We are present in more than 7 countries at the moment, including Algeria, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Bangladesh, Kenya, of course India, and many other ones. We have developed a de-dusting tunnel which is based on the AI generative technology, which is a complete or robotic machine, which is basically a backbone of any pharmaceutical or a food industry. Slowly and steadily we are also moving towards bringing all our equipment, clean room equipments to automation as well, and we have done so far, and hoping that in the near future all our products will be based on AI generated technology as well.